After Harish Rawat yesterday, BJP's latest target is Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh, who now finds himself in a tax evasion controversy. Times Now is in possession of the income tax notings of 2015 March, which show that money from front companies was routed into his family members' accounts. The Income Tax Department has questioned Veerbhadra Singh's claim of 14-fold increase in his agriculture income. That entire story with Times Now at this point in time. We have the documents to show that the Income Tax Department's investigation unit of Chandigarh has actually recommended this entire probe to be handed over to the Enforcement Directorate. This particular letter that has been written on the 20th of March 2015 to the Enforcement Directorate from the Joint Director Income Tax Investigation Chandigarh says that the issues whether undisclosed cash and unaccounted income of Shri Veerbhadra Singh and his associates has been given a color of legitimacy through conduits provided by Shri Anand Chauhan and Shri Vakamullah Chandrasekhar. So conduits have been used by Veerbhadra Singh. That's the charge that is made by the Income Tax Department. It goes on to say the investigation into the IPO offer of MS Tarini International was also made. The purchase of a farmhouse in village Dera Mandi Mehrauli, now New Delhi, by MS Maple Destination and Dreambill Private Limited, a company closely held by his son and daughter, from Shri Picheshwar Gadde and Lingayat Society of August 2011 has also been investigated. In fact, this is the prospectus of Tarini International. Tarini International's prospectus clearly shows here that Tarini is raising money for refurbishment of its office, 160 crore, and this refurbishment entire supply goes to one company, that is Maple Destination Dreambill Private Limited. That's the kind of connection between Vakamullah Chandrasekhar's company and Veerbhadra Singh that's been shown by the Income Tax Department.